Lis-San El Qua-Thi. Eggplant wrapped meat. A main dish from Iraq. Serves 4. You will need 18 ingredients. Step 1. Peel eggplant, trim off the top and bottom. Stand eggplant up on cutting board and slice vertically, 1/8 thin. Sprinkle generously with salt, place in a strainer for about 1 hour. Step 2. Rinse off the salt and strain eggplant oil in a frying pan and fry the eggplant slices in batches, turning once to brown both sides. Be careful not to burn. Add more oil as needed. Drain cooked eggplant slices on paper towels. Mix together the ground meat, onion, salt, and pepper. Divide the meat into sausage-shaped portions 1/thick and 2/long. Place a portion of the meat stuffing at one end of an eggplant slice and begin wrapping the rolls in a baking dish and layer the tomato slices on top. Step 5. In a saucepan, heat 2 tablespoons oil and sauté the diced onions. When soft, add the chopped tomatoes, salt, pepper, and turmeric. Add tomato sauce, beef or chicken stock, and lemon juice to taste. Step 6. Cover and simmer the sauce over the rolls in the baking dish. Cover with aluminum paper and bake for 1 hour or until done at 450 degrees. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.